Hello, and welcome to this course on the body dialogue. This is designed to help create a working relationship between a person and their body. The course shows mental health clinicians and wellness coaches how to help their clients develop this healthy relationship with their body. The body needs a voice, and the body gets to have a voice in the body dialogue. And exchanging conversation between the body and the self and facilitating that process develops body empathy. So many times people have suffered with a lack of body empathy, and the body has become the scapegoat for trauma that's unresolved or other issues. So things, for example, like cutting or body mutilation, eating disordered behavior like restricting or purging, binging, and other harmful body behaviors can really be reduced by developing compassion and a mutual understanding between the needs of the body and the needs of the self, so that they have a working partnership. This simple action structure includes how to do a body dialogue, how to facilitate it, either by using an empty chair or having a trained auxiliary, and it can work on both telehealth and in person. It includes terms and a demonstration, and it is a simple yet powerful action structure, and never has it let me down, and never has it let my client down. Thanks for watching.